Hi, Mr Wright here. This summer's IGCSE exams are fast approaching. Make sure you're ready to get your best grade by joining one of my live revision sessions. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description. Right, let's get on with today's question. This table gives information about the distances 100 adults travel to work. Let's remember that's 100 adults. That means that the total of this frequency column will be 100. Write down the modal class. Let's just make sure we understand what this table is saying. It's saying that 26 adults travel between 0 and 5 kilometres and 8 adults travel between 20 to 25 kilometres to work, and lots of adults travel distances in between those. What's the most common class? The modal class. The mode is the one you see the most. It's a distance of 5 to 10. Work out an estimate for the mean distance. Right, so I'm going to need the total of all the distances. So when I do this, I'm going to assume that these 26 people each travel 2.5 kilometres. So I'm going to find the midpoints of each of these classes here, because I'm going to use that. These 26 people, I'm going to assume they each travel 2.5. So 26 times 2.5 means that those 26 people travel a total of 65 kilometres. These 40 people, I'm going to assume that they travel 7.5 kilometres each. So in total, I'm going to say that they travel 300 kilometres. Of course, some of them will travel more than 7.5 kilometres to work and some of them less. But we're assuming that each travel 7.5. In the same way, 16 times 12.5, 200. 10 times 17.5, 175. 8 times 22.5, 180. So altogether, what's the total distance that all these 100 people, what's the total distance that they travel to work between them? Well, in total, they travel 920 kilometres to work, and there are 100 of them. So the mean distance, or my estimate for the mean distance, is 9.2 kilometres. And that is that question sorted. I hope you found that useful, and if you did, hit like, give me some positive feedback, and tell me in the comments, how's your revision going, and is there anything I can do to help you get your best grade this summer? Thanks for watching. See you in the next film.